Good afternoon to everyone who has joined this meet. First and foremost, I would like to welcome you all to the closing ceremony of the CIT Quantum Hackathon. I feel extremely privileged to extend my warm welcome to our respected principal, heads of the department, the faculty of CIT, QuizKit advocates, and last but not the least, our enthusiastic participants. I am Sharon, and my friends Nandana and Abhinaya will be the co hosts for today. It has been an intensive 7 days, productive, fruitful, novel, and technically challenging. Most of us who just got started with quantum computing are still in a state of awe, wondering what this could develop into in the next decade or two. As speakers mentioned in their respective workshops, the rise of quantum computing will bring a revolution in almost all domains. As today we are here to conclude the CIT Quantum Hackathon 2021, we would like to thank everybody for your active participation and support until today.
Quantum computing is a rapidly emerging technology that harnesses the laws of quantum mechanics to solve problems too complex for classical computers. IBM Quantum leads the world in quantum computing. They aim to solve the problems which even a supercomputer cannot solve nor ever will. The official site of IBM Quantum provides all the necessary information for a beginner in quantum computing. The Qiskit Fall Fest is a collaboration of student-led hackathons on college campuses around the world sponsored by IBM Quantum. As mentioned earlier, the Qiskit Fall Fest is a collaboration between the student communities from different colleges and IBM Quantum. During the hackathon, the participants are required to build quantum computing projects using Qiskit, which is an open source quantum computing SDK built on Python. The Fall Fest hackathons are for beginners and experts alike. These events are conducted globally, which are usually led by students from across Germany, Spain, America, India, and many more countries. These events are generally local, that is, each organizer puts together a hackathon for their community. The hackathons are meant only for the students and members of that community. So, as a part of Qiskit Fall Fest events, we organized the CIT Quantum Hackathon 2021 for the students of the CIT community.
It always feels nice to think about good memories. As the CIT Quantum Hackathon 2021 is coming to an end, let's spare a minute to take a glance at a quick recap video on what this whole event was. That felt really great though.
The Qiskit community is made up of thousands of students, engineers, teachers, researchers, and enthusiasts working to build the future of quantum computing together. The Qiskit community constantly puts up new workshops, tutorials, hackathons, meetups, challenges, and many more programs to build a stronger quantum computing community. They are quite active on Slack. So do join Slack channels to stay updated and learn more about quantum computing. So about Slack, Slack is a messaging app usually for businesses that connects people to all the information and tools they need to get their work done. The community of Qiskiters is strong on Slack, and people from all over the world uh, are available to help you with anything and everything. So don't hesitate to join the community and reach out to them, since it is a good platform to clear your queries and gain knowledge. There are a few channels we recommend you to join and stay updated, which are the general channel, Qiskiters channel, undergraduates channel, textbook reading groups, and quantum internships, and many more such channels are available in Slack, which you can browse and join them. So coming to the textbooks, you can also refer to the textbooks in the links given. So the English textbook is available, and it is the beta version of the textbook, and the Tamil book is also available. So we are proud to inform you that all the textbook is localized to Tamil language by our college students and other faculty members under the guidance of Dr. S. Manjula Gandhi ma'am.
A decade back, there weren't many resources to learn quantum computing practically, but we have come a long way since then. Today, IBM offers cloud access to the most advanced quantum computers available to learn, develop, and run programs with those quantum applications and systems via IBM Quantum Experience. The exact feel of real quantum devices can be accessed at the comfort of your own home and device by creating an IBM ID at quantumcomputing.ibm.com.
The CIT Quantum Hackathon 2021 was based on the theme Quantum Cryptography and Quantum Machine Learning. We had more than 150 registrations for this hackathon, and our mainstream communication platforms where we posted our announcements and resources were Hype and Discord. Since most of our registrants were just getting started with Qiskit and Quantum, a few workshop sessions were organized, and the sessions were conducted by various industry experts on different topics to kickstart the quantum journey of our Qiskiters.
The hackathon was officially inaugurated by Mr. Venkata Subramaniam as he gave useful insights on preparing for the quantum era. He is an innovative and experienced leader in artificial intelligence. He's also a strong researcher and a master inventor in the field of quantum. Various sessions that followed till day 3 after the commencement of the hackathon were on quantum circuits, quantum gates, quantum mechanics, uncertainty principle, quantum cryptography and its protocols, and quantum machine learning, which were taken by various Qiskit advocates and IBM ambassadors.
A lot was happening in the foreground as well as background for the execution of this event. A lot of planning, discussions, coordination, and much more. And as a result, we did make it better, if not the best. The overall support was provided wholeheartedly by Dr. S. Manjula Gandhi ma'am, Associate Professor of Department of Computing and also a Qiskit advocate. Dr. S. Gayatri Devi ma'am, Mrs. K.S. Vani ma'am, Dr. S. Chandya ma'am, Dr. C. Satya ma'am, who are all the Assistant Professor of Department of Computing, and Balaji Sitaraman and Vishal Bajpayee, who are all Qiskit advocate. The student coordinators who work for this event are J. Nandana, S. Dharani, S. Sai Adarsh, P. C.B. Bose from MSc Software System 9th semester, M. Mohammad Simar, Pratiksha, Tishyasri from MSc Software System 5th semester, Uttara, Sherin Benny, Abhinya from MSc Data Science 5th semester, and Loganathan D, Computer Science and Engineering of 5th semester.
Now coming to the Hype platform. The Hype platform was used to carry out the entire event online, from idea submission to the presentation and implementation of the solutions were all done on the Hype platform. Hype is a formal communication platform that made it easy and effective to conduct this hackathon virtually.
There were a few ranges of ideas submitted on the Hype platform. I'm sure everyone is as enthusiastic as me to know the results, but I guess we will have to wait a little longer. The results will be out by next week. So please wait until then, and all the best to all the teams who participated in this hackathon. The top 3 teams will be selected and will be forwarded to the global hackathon, Quantum Global Hackathon, happening around the world. So all the best for all the teams, and let's wait for the results.
The Discord server was used for posting updates and announcements, for discussions, for doubt clearance, and for technical support, with all separate channels for each of them. The initial resources required to start off for the quantum computing were also shared on Discord by the mentors and Qiskit advocates.
So the upcoming Quantum Challenge hosted by IBM and Qiskit are the IBM Quantum Challenge Fall 2021. So this challenge will showcase some of the quantum computing's different industry applications, mainly focusing on finance, nature, machine learning, and optimization, as well as the Qiskit runtime applications. So this event and this challenge is active from October 27th, 9 a.m. according to EDT time, and you can join on a 10-day challenge that will grow your quantum computing knowledge and skills as you use Qiskit to tackle the industry-focused real-life problems. Not to forget the importance of these challenges, many of our speakers of the sessions have focused on challenges to still explore their quantum computing knowledge. So the event starts from October 27, 6:30 p.m. IST and ends by November 5th, 9:30 p.m. So the further details are available in ibm.co challenge fall 2021. So please join and ask any fall challenge questions in the challenge fall 2021 channel. There will be many industry experts to help you out.
First and foremost, I would like to start by thanking IBM Quantum for sponsoring this event and extending their support throughout. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to the management of CIT who provided us with this wonderful opportunity to be a part of this event. I would also like to thank our respected Principal Ma'am, Dean of Student Affairs, Dean and HODs of Computing Department, and HODs of other departments for extending their support throughout this event. I would like to extend my gratitude to all Qiskit advocates and supporters from quantum community for their constant encouragement and also our speakers who went the extra mile to get us familiarized with quantum and motivated us to try something new and different. I would also acknowledge all the faculty and staff of CIT for providing us with all the moral support we could have. A huge shout out to the organizing team of this event who spent the last 2 weeks planning and coordinating to make this event a huge success. And finally, dear participants, it won't be without you that this event would happen. So, thank you everyone for your active participation and contribution.
Winding up with this event, I would like to remind you that this is just the start of a revolution. The rise of a quantum era is much awaited. So don't stop here. Keep working and contributing to the quantum community. That's all for today, folks. Thank you all for connecting and have a great day ahead.